Dude, there's a hill here.
Pow pow, old son. You're on 870K9's YouTube channel.
What's up, guys? We've had quite a few inches of snow here in northern Arkansas. Been riding around, see if I can find any crashes, some pretty sights. I'll try to turn the camera around so y'all can see. Roads are pretty well covered. Man, you done jacked up, didn't you? Huh?
It's caught in the crossfire.